Hey, crypto family. Hope you all are doing good today. So I know it's a little rough day because a lot of coins are in the red. I want to highlight the coins I talked about in my previous YouTube video, and those are the ones that are actually only in the green today. And they're ones I called in my Discord and I made a video on. So I'm going to go over those as well as some technical analysis for Bitcoin and Ethereum and where I think we're going from here. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. So as you know, I mentioned on my videos that the coins I was bullish on yesterday were CERBY, DUSK, and CIS. Okay. Now, if you look at CERBY token today, it's up over 32% to 0.00061 with a market cap of only 16 million. Okay. This coin still has a ton of potential. Go ahead and watch my last video. I mentioned they're doing a ton of updates and they're actually going to release their own stablecoin as well as being the bridging platform for many other platforms. So this coin I'm extremely bullish on. It's still ranked 1,000 and still a ton of room to go. So go ahead and check that out. And then the other two coins I mentioned, CIS, it's up over 15% today to 76 cents. So this is insane. This coin blew up after my video yesterday. And then also DUSK Network. Okay, DUSK Network was in the green. It's at 49 cents today. You can see over the past week, it's went up over 87%. So I believe I made the video, so it was 46 cents. So it's still gone up from that. But you can see a lot of coins are in the red, and these are one of the only coins that are in the green. Okay, so basically I mentioned for CIS coin, again, it's a coin that's trying to get into the metaverse as well as other platforms between Bitcoin and Ethereum. And also DUSK is really pushing that narrative of ZK zero knowledge rollup, and one that I think is going to be very big over the next couple months. So definitely look for ZK coins, but is one of the leading leaders in that ZK narrative. So definitely watch out for those. So if you want to join my Discord group, I do have a link pinned in the comments. Again, I did mention these coins in there before I made a video about them. So go ahead and join. It's a great time in there. Next, talking about some TA. So looking at Bitcoin right now. So I mentioned the daily chart here, and the daily chart I like to use because it encompasses a lot of price action. Okay, it's not like the 5 minute, not like the hour where you got tick. It really takes the overall market over the day and kind of what trends we are looking at right now. So at Bitcoin right now, I drew some support resistance lines, basically where we're at right now, and you can see we are right near that support line for Bitcoin at about 46,800. Okay, so if you zoom out here, you can see that this level has played an important role. You see back in February, acted as support here, acted as support April 24th. And you can see it chopped a lot in this area here, but recently it did act as support, bounced up, and now it is acting as support again, okay? If we do break this level, the next level I'm looking at is going to be this 43,500 to 44,500 down here. Now, the reason I'm looking at these levels, again, you can see here that this level below this 43,500, this actually acted as previous resistance, turned support all the way back here, February 28th. And you can see it has provided that support as well in September and August. Now, also, you can see this trend line that I drew, and you can see it's bounced once, twice, 3 times, and then 4 times it caught this wick here. So that's why this trend line is very important. I'm keeping a close eye on that. So again, watching this level closely, it's going to be about 44,300 if Bitcoin continues its current trajectory downward. Now, if we're continuing to the upside from this bounce, then again, this trend line here from November 10th I'm looking at, and I'll put us at about a resistance of around that $50,000 mark, okay? We know that's been a big important level that we had to watch. Tried to reclaim it the other day, couldn't break it, and then rejected back to the downside. Now, if we do break it, then looking at that resistance of 53,300, you can see here it's acted as support, turn resistance, and resistance here. So this 53,300 is definitely a big resistance level. So looking at these to see depending what narrative we are looking at. Now, next for Ethereum on the daily. Okay, right now we're kind of in no man's land in the middle here at 37,060 or 3760. Sorry. Now, the next resistance I'm looking at is that 3,900 to 4,000 level. Everyone knows that 4,000 is a tough level to break recently. But if we're looking at support here, you can see support is at 3,600. So, okay, again, just look in the past, October 8th, resistance September 15th. So, again, that resistance turns support now. So, looking at that, if it does continue past that, then looking at this last wick of 3230, you can see it's acted as support multiple times there. But if we do break to the upside, again, you can see this trend line that I drew. It did act as support on July 20th, then September 24th, September 29th, even December 11th. But again, when it broke down, now this trend line is resistant. So really going to be some big resistance around this 3,900 to 4,000 level. If we can break that, it'll be extremely bullish. So, and then if we do break it, again, next thing I'm looking at is this downtrend here, which is going to put us resistance at around that 4,200 level, and then finally 44. So if we can break that 4,400, I will be very, very bullish on Ethereum for continuing this bull run, going to new all-time highs. But again, right now, trying to play the safe side, going into some stables, looking for these altcoins that are very bullish, that have been performing well during this downturn, kind of see where capital is rolling over. So really diversifying yourself, not really putting all your eggs in one basket. It's something that I really like to do and keep an eye on. So with that, if y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please comment if you have any questions. Again, I have my Discord group. I do have free members, and then I do have a section for paid members where I go over these altcoin picks first, and then also share some with the free members as well. It's a good group. We talk about everything. So again, go and join it. It's free. And then also follow me on Twitter and leave a comment below if you like the video. Until next time, thanks for watching.